Hi guys, Tales from the workshop, Sunday afternoon. Just a couple of products that are they're not new, but they're restocked. I've finished some more stock off. We're talking Oak Bushcraft Plates. So there you go. Not a lot to say about these. Really, turned out solid oak. Logo on the back. Recessed so your spuds don't roll out. Nice plate to have in your pack for eating your lunch off. These are on the Etsy store, link to which is in the description. There's some pictures at the end of the film. If you didn't want to buy off the Etsy store, just contact me direct and I'll get it sorted out for you. Thanks for watching. Cheers.